Hey, what's good YouTube? The voice and what's good to the So yeah guys, as you can see, this is the morning now. I did not get bath. So today I'm gonna show you my skin routine using mealie soap and Colgate. I don't know if you can see. So yeah guys, stay tuned. So today I'm gonna use water. Don't mind about the label, it's not drink, it's water. Then mealie. See the combination. So I'm gonna mix a little bit of water. Oh, just combine it. Okay. Just to make the mealie a little bit like pasting yarn. Okay. Then I'm gonna make this soap a little bit wet again, like this. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna start with the soap. To make my skin white. Okay. Then I'm gonna put a little bit mealie like this. Okay, and then I'm gonna put Colgate, right, like this. Okay. Everybody. Yo. Then I'm gonna use mealie again. Like this. So this will clear all the pimples, like it will clear all the pimples. So the reason why I use mealie is because it's rough, so it opens the pimples. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. Like this one. Oh. Then you do it roughly. Ooh. Good. Oh. So yeah guys, if you have many pimples, you apply more mealie meal, but yo, my skin is still nice. I don't have many pimples, so but let me just do it a little bit kancane like this. So yeah guys, after doing this, you wait for something like 10 to 15 minutes, so the Colgate will start like burning you. When the Colgate losing power, like when it's no longer burning you, then you go and wash your face, or then you go and bath. So yeah, I'm gonna wait for 15 minutes, then I'm gonna go and bath. So yeah guys, catch you later after I'm done bathing. So yeah, peace out. So that the size like really matters.
Very much. It's important. It must be big and it must be wide.
Like the size of a ruler, or
14 inches.
Yes, the size of a ruler.
like 15 meters, like this.
And you see that pole there?
Yeah.
That's how wide.
Are you playing?
The thickness of that pole.
What type of plane is this?
Okay, like this end, or like.
Yes. The sport, yeah.
Yeah,
The sport. The sport, yeah.
This is playing.
So guys, I'm back. I'm done bathing now. So as you can see, my skin is giving. So yeah, I'm gonna use Dawn. You can use any lotion of your choice, no worries. But me, I like Dawn or Nivea. So So yeah guys, okay guys, thank you for watching the video. If you want part 2, just tell me down below in the comment section. I will show you another method, which is not this one. I bet guys, hope you have enjoyed the video. Please like this video to 50 likes. Without any further ado, danko.